Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Gold extends its longest losing streak since early July to trade at a 3-week low as rising Treasury yields and a resurgent US dollar undermined support. Wall Street capped a choppy week of trading with a broad slide for stocks that left the major indexes in the red for the week. The S&P 500 closed 1.3% lower, breaking a 4-week running streak. The US dollar index reached a 5-week high and was on track for its biggest weekly gain since April 2020, as investors adjusted for the likelihood that the US Federal Reserve would keep hiking rates to battle inflation. The pound dropped 0.8% against the dollar in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 1.4% in the last session, after rising as much as 2% during the session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The last session saw the euro fall 0.5% against the dollar. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The last session saw the oil fall 0.7% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The Dutch Consumer Confidence Edge will be released at 04:30 GMT. The Belgian Consumer Confidence Index at 0900 hours GMT. Japan's German Buber monthly report at 1000 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's Financial Review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial market.